Hey guys, Mo here. Nice to see ya. Yeah, so I have pink hair. Didn't set out for pink hair. So this vlog is going to be all about trying to correct this immediately because this is a hair dyeing situation gone wrong. I went back to the person who colored my hair the last time and asked for them to do something a little bit less drastic, something a little bit more subtle that would look good when my hair starts to grow out black underneath the dye so I don't have to touch it up so often. Here's some inspo for what I asked for. I mean, so I already know it's not that bad, Mo. It's not that bad. No, it is bad. You know why? Because I have a corporate ass job, you guys, and I feel like I'm already pushing all the limits with this short hair. I be having designs. I got a nose ring. I look different than most people in the office. So the last thing that I need is to be going to work with fucking fuchsia pink hair. So we are gonna take a little field trip to Sally Beauty and go buy all the jet black hair dye that I can possibly find. And I am going to try for the very first time in my life to color my hair by myself. So let's go. So I'm so happy that today I'm in better spirits because when I tell y'all last night, I was not happy. I literally got in my car and tried to cry. I was so mad, but I couldn't even cry. I was talking to some of my friends. Thank God for having good friends. You guys, that to me is the silver lining, is that this is fixable and that my good friends tried to calm me down and remind me, Mo, it's okay, girl. You can fix this. It's not the end of the world. Thank God you have short hair. All will be fine. Okay. I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna leave it up to God's hands. He will show me the way. And I just literally stayed up all night, like on YouTube, searching for video, because I've never done this before. So for some of you, you're probably like, girl, it's not that big of a deal. You can just throw some black on it and call it a day. But I've never done this before. So I was like panicking about it. Like, oh my God, how do I fix this? I don't want to spend any more money. Thank God it didn't cost me a lot to get it done to begin with, because that would be a whole nother issue that I would have. But I still don't want to have to pay and go sit in someone else's salon to have them try to fix it, because really I didn't want to go back to black. I wanted to have the color that was in my inspo picture because I really enjoy having my hair colored. So whatever. I'm just thankful that this is something that I know can be fixed, and I'm just praying that my own attempt at it doesn't go terribly wrong and make this even worse. But I mean, what's the worst that can happen? I'm putting jet black on top of hot pink. That's actually the one thing where I was like, I gotta vlog this, because there were no videos that showed how to go from like literally a hot pink fuchsia to a black. It was like going from red to black or blonde to black. So I'm just hoping that it just looks fine and that all is well. And thankfully, like I said, my hair is really short, so I know that it'll grow out within like a couple of months. Like the size will be fine pretty much in the next 2 weeks. The top, I'm gonna have to wait until all the dye and the bleach and stuff grows out and I can completely cut all that hair off and start over with my fresh virgin black hair. I look like I'm about to rob somebody's bank right now, but I am trying to hide this hair because it does not look good with no makeup. When I had my makeup on last night, it wasn't the worst. So I was like, okay, I can handle this. But when people were like, girl, do not go to work like that, that's actually like really pushing the limit beyond, that's when I started to panic. But thankfully, you guys are here to share in this with me. And I'm not even gonna be mad at homeboy, because you know what? I realized there's a big difference between a colorist and a hairstylist. As a hairstylist, recommend him all day. He's bomb, no problems there. As a colorist, no. We're never experimenting on Mo's hair again, because if I give you inspo, and I tell you very specifically that I want a subtle look, I want it to almost be like a rinse of burgundy red, or not even red, but like a rinse of burgundy, and I come out with hot pink hair, that, my friend, is a problem. Okay, shout out to homegirl at Sally Beauty over here on Van Ness and Santa Monica Boulevard, because she got me all the way together, honey. I was like, help me, girl, I don't know what I'm doing, please. This is such a disaster. She's like, it's okay, I got you. So she recommended that I do semi-permanent color, and I got 2 of these, even though I know my hair is shorter, so I probably don't even need it, but I was like, I want an extra just in case. They didn't have jet black, but she said the black would be perfect. So I'm just gonna basically like use these little gloves so I can be real safe about it. And she recommended to do semi-permanent instead of like a regular dye because I already bleached my hair last night, and the last thing I want to do is put like more processed like chemicals on top. So she was like, don't do the whole developer thing, just put on the semi-permanent color. She was like, put on these this little not wave cap, what is this called, like shower cap situation, sit for 30 to 45 minutes, which is perfect. I have a meeting at 10, so I'm about to go slap this shit on my hair, sit through this meeting, and then wash it out in my sink so I don't have to like ruin my bathroom. And fingers crossed, I will be back to being real cute or whatever in about an hour. So let's go. Oh my god. All right. We back and we ready, okay? Let's get to this. I'm not gonna lie though, the pink hair would be such a fucking look if I didn't have a corporate ass job. That's why I gotta be self-employed soon, y'all. Oh, I'm already fucking up. I gotta put Vaseline around my edges. Okay, so let's do this first. I hope to God I don't get this stuff all over my skin. Okie dokie. I probably should have got one of those little brushes so I can like more evenly distribute this, but that's why I bought 2 bottles just in case I mess up and need something else. Okay, so I just sat here and was as careful as I possibly could be to put this this color on my hair, and I feel like, I mean, I know I need to still sit with it under a shower cap for a minute, but it looks like the pink is still showing through. Maybe that wouldn't be so bad after all if it was kind of like giving me the tint that I actually wanted to begin with, but we're gonna see. So time to put this shower cap on, honey, and sit here for the next 35-45 minutes, and then I'm gonna reveal what's happening under here when I get back. All right, y'all, we back, and this is the semi-final look that I came up with. The rinse, it actually did take pretty well. The color that I got was not jet black because they didn't have jet black available, so it was just like a regular black. So I already kind of was like skeptical that it wouldn't completely cover up the hot pink or fuchsia, whatever the hell this color was. But when I first washed out the color, it was a little bit darker than this, and then I got in the shower and like put a mask on my head, like a conditioning mask, just so that my hair would just like feel softer and like not so damaged from like all the bleach. And it literally like lifted some of the black out. But I'm not gonna lie, like this is not bad. I probably will, because I did buy 2 bottles, I probably will do it again like over the weekend or something like that, maybe even tomorrow, I'm not really sure yet, just because I wish that it was like a little bit darker. But for the most part, this is doable. Like I can go to work like this confidently and not feel like everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, you know. But I'm not gonna lie, like having such bold hair means that you have to play up your makeup, and I'm just like, now I feel like I have to wear damn bold berry lip, and I have to fucking get dressed, and it's just like not exactly what I wanted. But you know what? I'm not mad about it. I literally, like I said, I feel like I can go to work with more confidence, and it's kind of cute or whatever. So anyway, moral of the whole story is, you guys, please do your research. Make sure that you are going to a professional colorist. Coloring is like a true science. And don't try to do this shit yourself at home, period. But at least we got to this point. Like I said, I'm good with it for now. I'll let you guys know if I decide to change it again at any point in the future. But at this point, I really just want my hair to grow out in the next like month or 2 and have my barber just like chop all the bleach stuff out. But anyway, I got shit to do. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that jazz. And I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Peace.